Hi, I'm Mark Shaw with UltraTech International. I'm here today to tell you about the Ultra HardTop Plus containment units. It's used for maintaining spills and containing any drips and leaks that might come off of your drums and containers that would be stored inside. Great for outdoor use. This particular unit we have here is the P2 Plus model. P2 designates polyethylene 2-drum. The unit has a roll top lid, which gives you easy access to the tops of the containers. You don't have to open up the doors when you're just accessing them, perhaps to pour some material into a funnel that would be in here. If you're checking on the level of a container, in many cases what people will do is use this for satellite waste collection. They'll actually be filling up this container with any kind of wastes that are occurring in the shop. They'll decant them into this container. This one remains empty. Once this one is full, then they'll remove the funnel, place it on this container, and then call their local waste company to come pick up this container, send it off for disposal, and they'll put a new container in here. So they're going back and forth as kind of a satellite waste collection type operation. What's nice is you can get this collection operation out of the building. In many cases, that's going to give you some cost savings in your insurance. Check with your insurance carrier on that. Get it outside, but conveniently located to a door or access area where they can get out and dispose of the chemicals. This container is also used for loading. Simply open the doors, and you can bring a forklift truck directly up in here and load the containers. There's also an optional ramp, polyethylene ramp, which can be hooked into the unit. That ramp will allow you to load the units with a hand truck. The size of this unit is unique in that the ramp itself, rather than leaving it outside and be worried about it getting stolen or something like that, it can be lifted up and it can be stored on the inside of the unit on either side. Another feature that makes this very unique in the marketplace is that you can put wood pallets in here and store units, especially on our 4-drum unit, which is obviously 4 drums and it has access on both sides. You can also use any size of funnels like you see here. It's also been designed to handle virtually every kind of drum pump we could find in the marketplace as far as the height for different types of pumps, both rotary, hand pumps, and electric, so that it gives you plenty of room, plenty of options to do whatever you want to do inside of an outdoor storage containment area. It's extremely weather tight. When you close the unit up and lower the roll top door down, you can put a padlock in here and actually lock it up and prevent it from happening as far as anybody accessing it unauthorized. There are forklift pockets located here, which allows you to move the unit for easy transport of it. We have the P1 unit, which is a 1-drum unit. It's very convenient for just single drum applications. This is a P2. The P4, as I mentioned, has this roll top feature on both sides and doors on both sides. We also expand this unit offering to allow you to take what's called a center wall. It's a common wall, which allows you to take this same module on a 4-drum unit and add another module. And then you can add another common wall here and add another module. And you can add modules and modules and modules. So you can have an 8-drum unit. You can have a 12-drum unit. You can have a 16, a 20, as big as you want, all lined up. And each one has their own different containment sump. And that then allows you to segregate waste, which is part of EPA's container management responsibility, is to segregate your waste so they don't mix if they're incompatible. Each unit, whether it's a 1-drum, a 2-drum, a 4-drum, will all hold 66 gallons. That's important because that covers not only the EPA's qualification of 100% of the largest single container, but it also covers the Uniform Fire Code, which requires 66 gallons specifically. So you get both of those with that, as well as all the other features that you see here, and very high weight rating as far as the number of pounds that this will handle. Far more weight than you'll ever be able to get inside of one single drum, or even 2 single drums for that matter, or 4, or whatever. The weight rating is extremely high in this unit because of the thickness of the grating involved. The grating is also non-skid if you happen to be inside you won't be able to slip and fall as easily because of the non-slip feature. So this is the Ultra HardTop Plus model P2 in this case, but I've explained the whole line to you. It's a very popular, it was one of our better selling products, and we recommend you take a look for your outdoor storage needs. Thank you very much.